Hola chicos, ¿qué tal? Hace mucho calor. Hi, my name is Asami. I'm a flamenco dancer based in Spain, and today I'm going to do a 5 days flamenco Bulerias challenge. So if you want to get mastered, or you want to understand, or if you have questions, then learn with me. This is a perfect opportunity because Buleria is one of the famous, popular one because it's nice, it's fun, and it's wow. It's just like. Wow, it's just like people just like an improvise, but this is why it's difficult because you have to get used to the structure and the music and to the singers, because singer will sing the songs that you never know maybe, but if you have practice, then you will be able to do it. I remember when I started dancing and I came here, I was so nervous and I couldn't even get out, stand up and dance on the stage. So trust me, we can learn together. So if you want to learn, then you can subscribe my channel, or otherwise, let's go. Ask me how you enter and how you go out, get off from the place. I have done Bulerias master classes, and I explained about how it looks like marcaje, different kind of marcaje, and different stages, beginners, intermediate, and advanced. And today I'm gonna do, because you already got the knowledge, I'm gonna do how you enter and do what we have done, marcaje and llamada, and also you have to go, get out, irnos, ¿no? Vale, entonces vamos a hacer primero para entrar, segundo para estar ahí con marcando, y luego ya llamada y nos vamos. Buleria is the things that you never know what's gonna have, what songs they're gonna sing, and that's why flamenco is important to be acostumbrar, no? Get used to improvise and be sensitive what you're hearing, okay? So for example, do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ay, pásate contigo. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, what we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. I'm not a good singer, I don't really sing. Stay with me, but it's important to understand how it goes. So the singer sings, I was just contigo, right? And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they will sing something all the time. Me duele, me duele. And there will be a hole normally. A hole that where you can do a remate or enter. Yeah? Okay, so how you enter again? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Vamos allá. Ay, pásate contigo. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Marcar. A little bit más para acá. Ay, pásate contigo. Vamos allá. Pa, y pa, papi, papá. Pásate contigo. A ti nadie te quería como te cabelo. Yo llamada, pam pam pam, ta ti ta, tiki 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 ta, pam ta 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 ta. Ay, y le mato. That's one letra already. So you wait, or you have to give the sign here. What do you want to do? Do you want to dance another letra, or do you want to go? And in this case, today we're going to do the shorter version, and tomorrow we're going to do second letra, okay? But today we want to go, yeah? So we stay here. After remate, we want to go. So we look at the cantador, or you give the sign that I want to go. That's the difficult part, but you will get used to it, and a good dancer and good singers will be able to communicate. Again, I'm gonna do it again from the beginning. ？Okay, now I'm gonna do it from there so you can see my feet how it goes. Cuando quiere ir, llamada otra vez. Pa, tiqui, 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 pa, 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 pa. Okay, so we're gonna do slowly. 8, 9. The great news is that for 5 days Flamenco Bulerias challenge, post what you're doing on the video on my Facebook page, Asami Ikeda, not the personal one, the Facebook page, then you will have a chance to win a half an hour's private flamenco lesson online with me. If you have any questions at the end of the video, please comment so that this is an opportunity for you to ask me this part you didn't understand, so that I can do it tomorrow or within the 5 days. So it will be quick.